Grammar 7.4 Negative questions. In English, when a yes or no question is asked positively or negatively, one responds yes or no as if it was asked positively. Let me show an example. Do you have a book? No, I don't. Don't you have a book? No, I don't. As you can see in the examples in English, it does not matter whether the question is asked positively or negatively. The answer is always the same. But the only difference between two questions is the degree of the assurance of the person who asked the questions. In Korean, however, 네 or 아니요 refers to whether the content of the question is true or false. The responder agrees or disagrees with the contents, respectively. Therefore, when question is asked negatively, 네 means the content of the question is true, or the speaker agrees with it. And 아니요 means that the content of the question is false, or the speaker does not agree with it. Please review the following examples. Keep in mind that your yes or no answer should be according to the question statement. 네 means that the content of the question is true, or the speaker agrees with it. And 아니요 means that the content of the question is false, or speaker does not agree with it. Let's look at the first example. 책 있어요? 아니요, 없어요. It means no, I don't have the book. Second one. 책 없어요? 네, 없어요. It means no, I don't have the book, which means I agree with you. Third question. 책 없어요? 아니요, 있어요. Yes, I have the book, which means I don't agree with you. As you can see in the example, depending on the question's answer changes. If the question is asked negatively as 책 없어요? If you don't have the book, the answer should be 네, which means your content is true and I agree with you and I acknowledge the content is true. But if you do not have the book, the correct answer should be 아니요, which means your content is not true and I don't agree with you. Let me show more examples. 안 먹어요? You're not, aren't you eating? 네, 안 먹어요. It means yes, which means I'm not eating. What you said as is true. I confirm the content is true. While 아니요, 먹어요. It means no, I'm eating. What you said as is false. You have to be careful to the question and answer accordingly. Now, I'm going to represent you with the pictures and based on answer, choose either 네 or 아니요. Yes or no. 영화 재미없어요? 네 or 아니요. The answer is 아니요. 참 재미있어요. 보러 가세요. Which means what you said is false. I don't agree with you. In fact, the movie is fun. 린다 씨 모르세요? 네 or 아니요. The answer is 아니요. 잘 알아요. What you said is false, which means I know her well. 꽃을 안 살 거예요? 네 or 아니요. The answer is 아니요. 살 거예요. 내일이 여자친구 생일이에요. What you said is false, which means I'm going to buy the flower. Turn to workbook page 169, section M and N. 한국 음식 안 좋아해요? 네, 안 좋아해요. which means I don't like Korean food. 마크 씨는 미국 사람이 아니에요? 네, 캐나다 사람이에요. No, which means Mark is Canadian. 하와이는 안 추워요? 네, 안 추워요. No, which means Hawaii is not cold. 다음 학기에 한국어 수업을 안 들어요? 네, 안 들어요. 안 들을 거예요. No, I'll not take Korean class next semester. 오늘 아침 안 먹었어요? 네, 안 먹었어요. No, I did not eat breakfast. 동생 없어요? 아니요, 동생 한 명 있어요. Yes, I have one. 김 선생님 전화번호 몰라요? 아니요, 알아요. I know the number. Yes, I know the number. 이번 주말에 안 바빠요? 아니요, 바빠요. No, I will be busy this weekend. 크리스마스에 부모님 집에 안 가요? 아니요, 가요. 갈 거예요. No, I will go. 해리포터 영화가 재미없어요? 아니요, 재미있어요. No, it is fun. Now, I'm going to ask you negative questions and based on your real life situation, please answer. 한국 음식 안 좋아해요? Number 2. 미국 사람이 아니에요? 하와이는 안 추워요? 다음 학기에 한국어 수업 안 들어요? 오늘 아침 안 먹었어요? 동생 없어요? 최 선생님 전화번호 몰라요? 이번 주말에 안 바빠요? 크리스마스에 부모님 집에 안 가요? 영화 재미없어요? Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with 네 or 아니요 based on the content. 집에서 학교까지 안 가까워요? 아니요, 가까워요. 팔과 안 배웠어요? 네, 안 배웠어요. 마켓에 장 보러 안 갈 거예요? 아니요, 갈 거예요. 이번 학기에 전공 수업 안 들어요? 아니요, 들어요. 극장에 자주 안 가요? 네, 자주 못 가요. 가끔 가요.